It's my first green bean harvest, y'all. Ain't they cute? How many I got? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and one pea pod. How about that? Alrighty. What do I do with these? Throw them in the freezer? Parboil them? What do I do till I get a collection of them? So I gotta try them raw, right? Um, yes, they've been washed off. So this is the pea pod. Sweet and good. Okay. Let me try one green bean fresh. Mmm. Tastes like a green bean. I'd rather have them cooked though. Might be good with some ranch. Not bad. Not bad.